Equation 1, equation 2. Equation 2 is equal to square root k plus L is equal to 5. Squaring on both sides. स्क्वेयर की रूट की कैंसिल. k plus L is equal to 25. Equation 3. Equation 1 is equal to square root k plus square root L is equal to 7. Squaring on both sides. Therefore, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Square root k whole square plus square root L whole square plus 2 into root k into root L is equal to 49. स्क्वायर की रूट की कैंसिल. स्क्वायर की रूट की कैंसिल. k plus L plus 2 root kl is equal to 49. Therefore, recall 3. Equation 3. K plus L is equal to 25. 25 plus 2 root kl is equal to 49. 2 root kl is equal to 49 minus 25. 2 root kl is equal to 24. Both sides divide 2. 2 ones are 2 twelves are. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Square root kl is equal to 12. Squaring on both sides. स्क्वायर की रूट की कैंसिल. kl is equal to 144. Both sides divide L. L cancel. K is equal to 144 by L. Equation 4. Recall equation 3. K plus L is equal to 25. 144 by L plus L is equal to 25. 144 plus L square by L is equal to 25. Both side adding L. L cancel. 144 plus L square is equal to 25L. L square minus 25L plus 144 is equal to 0. 144 minus 9 minus 16. Minus 9L minus 16L is equal to minus 25L. L square minus 9L minus 16L plus 144 is equal to 0. L into L minus 9 minus 16 into L minus 9 is equal to 0. L minus 16 into L minus 9 is equal to 0. L minus 16 is equal to 0. L minus 9 is equal to 0. L is equal to 16. L is equal to 9. Recall equation 4. K is equal to 144 by L. L is equal to 16. L is equal to 9. K is equal to 144 by 16. K is equal to 9. K is equal to 144 by 9. K is equal to 16. So, when K is equal to 9, L is equal to 16. When K is equal to 16, L is equal to 9.